Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel 7 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to exit rescue mode on these devices. As you can see, I'm in rescue mode and my device waiting for rescue commands. And now, if you don't know how to exit, how to boot to normal mode, not afraid, I will show you. Okay, firstly, you need to press and hold power button and two volume buttons both simultaneously. So just press and hold all three buttons. Press it all and hold. And as you can see, we have exit of rescue mode on our Pixel device. So just wait for it. Now press and hold power button, press and release volume up, and now we are in recovery mode. So now just click on reboot system now. You need to select reboot system now using your volume buttons and press power button to reboot device. So just click on power button and wait. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.